Hey everyone, welcome to Fun Food Fashion. Our Eid special series is going on, and here comes another Ramzan special recipe, and this time it's yummy crispy prawn balls. So without further saying, let's get started. But first thing first, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you get all the notification of my further video if you are new. And now we will start with the making crispy prawn balls. For that we are going to need 200 grams of prawns, small or medium sized prawns, whatever you get in the market. Now I'm going to cut them. So we are not going to use the head, so cut the head off, and we are going to slice the flesh into small pieces like this. Use a sharp knife, mine is not that much sharp. I'm going to show you a few more. Just cut the head off. Don't throw away the heads. You can just deep fry the heads and you will get a very yummy snack as well, crispy fried prawn heads. So they are all done. Now we are going to marinate it. So first, half a teaspoon of garlic paste, then goes half a teaspoon of ginger paste, then goes 2 teaspoons of onion paste, and then half a teaspoon of green chili paste, half a teaspoon of salt. You can adjust the salt according to your taste. Then goes black pepper, it's also half a teaspoon. You can balance the spiciness according to your palate. Next goes 1 teaspoon of soy sauce. Soy sauce also contains salt, so make sure you wisely use the salt. And then half of beaten egg. That means I have taken 1 egg and beaten it and took half of it. And then goes 1 tablespoon of corn flour and 2 tablespoons of breadcrumbs. So egg, breadcrumbs and corn flour will help in the binding process. Now mix everything together, and it's done. So that means within 6-7 minutes we have made this, and then within another 6 minutes we're going to coat them into breadcrumbs. So take a small portion from the mixture and make balls like this using your palm. See, then coat it with some breadcrumbs. You don't need to egg wash them because we have already put some egg into the mixture. That will do, that will help in coating. Use this kind of small bowls for coating them, then you don't have to use your hand much, and using your fingers and your palm, give them a shape like balls. So it's done. I'm going to show you more. I'm going to coat the others, and it's done. At this stage you can store them in into a airtight container and keep them into the deep freeze or refrigerate freezer, and whenever you want them, just put them out and fry them. So here I have taken some oil, heated it mediumly, and then I'm going to add the prawn balls, and over low flame I am going to fry them for 3 minutes on each side. That means total 6 minutes will take to fry the prawn balls. You need to fry them over low flame, otherwise inside they will be raw and outside will get the color, brown color. So make sure you fry them on low flame. I like to use very less oil because I don't like to use the same oil again and again because it's unhealthy. So you also do the same. Now they are nicely golden brown. They are done. So I'm going to remove them on a plate and over a tissue paper so that all the excess oil are soaked by the tissue paper. So our prawn balls, crispy prawn balls are done. I am serving them with some mayonnaise mixed with ketchup. You can serve it whatever you want, and I am sure your family is going to love it. Don't forget to like, share and comment on the video, and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you.